'cause I have nothing better to do but climb a little skinny tree. Climb to the top until the bears and swings me halfway to Korea, where I can fight and numb. Pull all the dead bodies back and save them 'cause I'm scientist. And whatnot, even though I only work on birds, I could save them now. I can do it. Oh man, what is going on? This nail. Why? Don't these nail attacks? Oh my god, what just happened? In the middle of the street. Oh. Oh. Ah! Why would you do this to me, Jess? Oh, it's just gonna crack for a little bit. Oh, what's gonna happen to me?
You never say my name.
What? I'm just wearing my hat like every normal person in Idaho does. And stuff. And yeah, and everything else is just not plausible at the moment because I have nothing better to do but play with my coat. My hair needs to be brushed. Here to brush it? Because I haven't brushed it since 3 in the morning. And it's like 7:30. And I haven't slept since noon yesterday. And I just have the biggest islands under my eyes right now. And stuff. And I refuse to look in your general direction. Because I don't want to be seen by the world. Because I hate my life right now. My eyes are watered from staring at all these flowers and they're all wet because it's raining. And all I hear is just a giggling in the background. And I have nothing going on. It's just all saying blurred together at one time or another. If I was Ren and Stimpy right now, I'd be somewhere on the moon. Where'd that hummingbird go? Hummingbird! I done there. I ran out of things to talk about now. My brain's all like, yeah, sleep, and I'm like, oh.